Did you know that early customer feedback is crucial for product development? Welcome back to Success Spark Wisdom. If you're passionate about product development or simply curious about how successful products come to life, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into an essential topic that could change the way you approach your next project: the importance of early customer feedback. Imagine this scenario. You've worked tirelessly on a product, pouring your heart and soul into every detail. You're excited to launch it into the world, but what if it doesn't resonate with your audience? This is where early customer feedback comes into play. Gathering insights from potential users before your product hits the market can be a game changer. So, why is early customer feedback so crucial? For starters, it helps you understand the real needs and desires of your target audience. Often, what we think customers want isn't always aligned with their actual preferences. By engaging with potential users early in the development process, you can identify gaps in your product and make necessary adjustments before it's too late. Another key benefit of early feedback is that it fosters a sense of community around your product. When customers feel involved in the development process, they become more invested in the final result. This not only builds loyalty, but also creates a network of advocates who are eager to share your product with others. Imagine launching a product that has a dedicated fan base ready to spread the word. Now let's talk about how to effectively gather this feedback. There are several methods you can use to connect with your audience. Surveys are a classic tool, allowing you to ask specific questions about your product. Focus groups can provide in-depth insights, enabling you to hear the thoughts and feelings of potential users directly. Additionally, beta testing is an excellent way to gather real-world feedback. By allowing a select group of users to try your product before its official launch, you can gain valuable insights into its functionality and appeal. It's important to approach feedback with an open mind. Not every piece of feedback will be easy to hear, but constructive criticism is invaluable. Embrace it. Use the insights you gather to refine your product, making it better suited to meet the needs of your audience. Let's not forget about the power of technology in this process. Social media platforms, online forums, and dedicated feedback tools can all help you reach your audience effectively. Engaging with customers in these spaces can yield quick insights and foster ongoing conversations about your product. In conclusion, early customer feedback is not just beneficial, it's essential for successful product development. It empowers you to create products that truly resonate with your audience, builds a loyal community, and sets you up for long-term success. So the next time you embark on a product journey, remember to prioritize early feedback. Thank you for watching this episode of Success Spark Wisdom. If you found this information helpful, please give us a thumbs up and consider subscribing to our channel for more insights on achieving success in your ventures. Until next time, keep striving for greatness.